Hi everyone! Today we are drawing cute little strawberry shortcake, so let's start. First we're going to start with the face. So let's make a line and connect. No, not connected, like make a circle, okay? Now we're going to draw the ear. And you don't draw the other ear because it's like hidden because of the hair. Now you're gonna draw the eyes, so trust me, any drawing will be very easy if you like follow along with me. So that's what you're gonna do for the eyes, and you're gonna color in. I think her eyes are green, like this part of them. Yeah, I think so. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. Okay. Let's draw the second eye. These are the lashes. There we go. That's the nose. You don't have a mouth in this, okay? It's just no mouth. Now let's draw the little freckles. That's it. Only 3 freckles. Okay. Now we're gonna draw the hair. Fun part. You're gonna do that. And that. And make this weird shape. And now we're gonna go for the strawberry hat. I'm not sure if it's like that, but okay. Now let's draw the little seeds. Like and subscribe if you love strawberries, because they're so good. Okay, now we're gonna draw the body, so like we can draw the hair. So this is the neck. Very easy, very tiny. I'm gonna curve and connect the bottom. And this is the little skirt. Okay, now we are going to draw like the little bubbles on the skirt. Her skirt's green and her top's white. Yeah. It's been a long time since I watched Strawberry Shortcake, so I'm starting to forget things. Cause I'm not a kid anymore. I'm like 10 years old only. I'm a young artist, you can say. Okay, that looks good, and I hope yours looks way better than mine. Oh, I forgot to make like the circle for this one. It looks weird. Sorry, just colored this one, okay? Or else it's gonna look weird. Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Now, I guess we're gonna make the arms. So, gonna make that. It looks very chibi. And that one too. Now you're gonna draw the hair, my favorite part. Girl, okay. Yeah, okay. Looks fine. Like it's flying to the other side. Now let's draw the legs. We're gonna do that and that. She's not tiny, okay? She's not baby. So we're just gonna okay, don't make this mistake, but just connect it like this, not like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's very, here, those are the knees, and, now we're gonna make, like, the shoes. Easy, right? Now we're gonna, oh, I forgot the leggings. Leggings, yeah. The leggings are green. Wait, no. This part is red. Oh my god, I'm making so many mistakes. Okay. That looks good. Now let's draw a little strawberry. Okay. That looks nice. And here's our strawberry shortcake drawing. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!